That's not a no snowplow, it's a backhoe. Front loader, whatever you want to call it. That's the mound of snow. The cord. I don't know if you can see all of this. So much snow. You can't even see. There's the yard. See the fence is covered. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. Nobody's out. It's a snow emergency. No one's allowed to be out. There's our sidewalk. Can you see how we got the mound of snow? Here, I'm gonna walk a little. Woo! It's cold. It's coming down to the front, over where the garage is. There's Mike's truck. In front of the house. Look how bad where the snow is up on the house. Is that crazy? It's like clinging to the brick. That's just crazy. There's my little baby car over there. Mike made it go across the street. Isn't it beautiful? There's outside. Let me go out to the street just so you can see what it's like out on the street. This is with snow. Oh, it's a little icy. Look at this. Now this is out front. Crazy. You see? All the snow is little winter wonderland. All the bushes that are frozen. There we go. There we go. Look, there's the condos across the street. Yeah. There's like in front of our house. Yeah. There's the driveway. There's the house. All the way up. Alright, I gotta go in. It's getting a little too for the likes of me. This is just the snow in front of our house. Whew, my hands are getting a little too cold. Gotta climb up here. Whew. There's the yard. Alright, we're coming to see us the front door. Woo! See, the snow's all up with the front door. This is how bad it is outside. Visibility is white out. See it? Okay, I gotta go. Into the nice fireplace. Get warmed up. Ooh, this is crazy. Oof. Look, there's even snow. Look at the front door. See? Whew. I'll show you outside the back. This is outside the slider. See, look. Whew. There's the table down there. For the summer when we have parties out on the back deck. There's the chimichanga that's almost covered. I'm recording. Mike's asking me who am I talking to. He's like, what is he? We're inside now. Nice fire going. Woo! Alright, enough is enough. End of the snow blizzard. It's not over yet.